nakabenta ki khobor ke ba mankasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
So we are, of course, our NPP MLAs are on the field. There was all election just got results for last night. So till they are formally there, of course, on the phone with the spoken to everybody, and we're going to proceed as a party. And of course, BJP has given its formal support to us, but we are going to meet the Honorable Governor, requesting him to call us and invite the National Socialist Party to come to government. And in them, as I said, the BJP and other political parties are supporting
So what the other political parties?
Yes, absolutely.
So one more thing, so resignation and formation of government, the supporters letter, all will be given to governor today itself. So how many
We'll let you know.
and basically how many numbers do you have?
We've been communicated that the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable Prime Minister would like to attend the swearing, and therefore we are waiting for confirmation from the Honorable Prime Minister's office. So if we will be attending the swearing in, then we'll have to wait for the dates for the Prime Minister.
So to the governor, how many MLAs support will you be presenting, sir? To the governor, how many MLAs support will you be presenting?
No, we are asking the governor to invite the National Socialist Party, being the single largest party, to form the government. And as I said, we have already got support from different parties, and that will let you know.
How many MLAs?
Allegedly.
So any candidate from Congress is also approaching you.
Extended support because we are made to understand that the UDP is here to take the call.
So you know it.
Sir, any Congress candidate has also approached any Congress candidate.
As I said, those details we cannot give you right now. We don't need to support details of that. But just want to tell you that yes.
What would be the name of the coalition?
We'll sit down. We'll sit down and discuss.
What would be the name of the coalition?
We'll sit down. We'll sit down and discuss.
Will it be MDV?
We're going to sit with the partners. Today we just had a meeting only with our NPP mainly, and of course our independent from Mara was also here already, and BJP. So right now we are 29. 29 means as the party from different independent.
Sir, just PTP has also extended support to you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So we don't want to give all the details. Just wait and watch. So we'll be.
TMC also support you.
Sir, do you have 32 number right now? Sir, do you have 32 number right now standing with you?
Absolutely.
More than 32 you have right now.
Sir, any comments on the violence that
the violence, in fact, it's very unfortunate. Shouldn't have happened. We understand the sentiments, of course, are there. People are very emotional at this point in time. A lot of violence took place in different locations, but things are, as of now, under control. And I would like to urge all the people of all political parties that the election is done, because we are democratically, we have finished the democratic process, and violence is not the way. So I would appeal to the people also in the political parties not to get into any kind of violence.
What will be attribute to your success?
No, I mean, there's nothing like that. We just we have worked committedly for the last 5 years, and we could have